Hey guys, have you ever seen the movie Click of Adam Sandler? This movie is amazing. He can control his life with one remote control. He can go upward, forward, he can stop, reward. It's really great, but unfortunately in Japan we don't have this remote control, but we have our phone. Our phone in Japan is very powerful, that's why in this video I'm going to show you a way to save money easily with one click. Coming soon! Hey guys, my name is Fabrizio, I'm helping foreign to have a better life in Japan, so if you are new to this channel, just subscribe. So now if you're also a student, you might want to check out my online course. It's all about saving money and study better Japanese. So guys, moving on this course, in this video today I'm going to explain you a very easy way to save money in Japan with one click with your phone. I'm talking about a great app which is for free and it's very easy. I'm talking about Smart News. Smart News is from many countries around the world, but it's also here in Japan. What you have to do only is just download the app on the App Store. It's for free. You can see once you download the app, on the bottom left you have all the news where you can read every time and every day, so you can practice also your Japanese. On the next page you're going to find the forecast, so you might want to know your weather condition. But the next one, which is really cool, is the coupon tab. So guys, there's so many coupons that you can use all the time when you go for a restaurant or for shopping. You can see here the list. If you scroll down, there are so many, but the cool part, you can see if you turn on the left, swipe on the left, you can see many companies that do offer this service. It's really simple, and the great thing, you can also check where they are. On the top right you can see the map, so you can find the location and go to the restaurant and save some money. It's a great method. You can find discount of 50 or 100 yen, or even better, sometimes even half price. It's really great. You do it every day. Even if you go to Konbini, to 7-Eleven, Lawson, you get discount. You might maybe get say in an average 100 yen discount every day. So in a year it's almost $365 just like that. It's very simple. It's for free. I really suggest you to do it. And now moving on, next tips. Here I'm going to show you a way actually to accumulate money. As you know, in Japan it's very popular that you can accumulate money when you do shopping. That's why here I'm going to give you a really great suggestion of a great app that I really love it, and all the time I do shopping I use this app to accumulate points. Just say to the cashier. I'm talking about Rakuten Point Club. Again, it's very simple and it's for free. Once you download the app, you can see here on the top right there is the barcode. What you have to do, once you go for shopping, the cashier register is going to ask you maybe for a card with a point club. If you don't have it, you just use this phone, you just show them the barcode, they scan it and give the point. That's really cool. You can do that all the time. You might get 1 to 5% back. That's super cool. Again, you might combine these two, so when you go shopping you might get discount from Smart News, and then you go with the point club, you get point, you get double discount. It's very simple guys. Now the next tip I can give to you, it's very important. What you do, just like this video and subscribe. Thank you so much, and again thank you for watching and see you next time.